Well, considering we're called belly boots, I can't believe it's taken this long, but today it's all about the belly. So I'm going to show you how to turn this into this lovely, crispy, crunchy pork belly. So we're going to start by stabbing loads of holes in the skin of the pork belly. That'll help absorb the salt, which is going to dry the skin out. I'm using Maldon fine sea salt. Then we're going to brush it with white wine vinegar. Again, this will help take moisture out of the skin. We're going to make a cradle out of foil, then into a really cool oven, 90 degrees centigrade, 1 hour. That'll dry the skin out like this. Then other end of the scale, 260 degrees centigrade, really hot for 45 minutes. That'll bring the skin up like this. So that's the skin taken care of. Now we need to slow cook the meat so it falls apart. We're going to cook our pork belly today with some roast potatoes, skin on, nice and rustic. Bit of rosemary, bit of garlic, a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of oil to get them started off. But they're going to cook under the pork belly, 150 degrees, 4 hours. All the fat from the pork belly is going to drip down to the potatoes. I mash my potatoes up halfway through to make sure they get extra crispy. Look at the spuds. And that's the pork belly finished. Nice crispy skin, gorgeous moist meat. This is a meal to remember.